Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we are going to unbox the cheapest and one of the best multimedia speakers, which has a USB for the power mode also, and we are going to unbox and test it in this video. So stay tuned to check it out. So this is the uh, speaker which we are going to unbox. It's a quantum speaker, and as you can see the diagram over here, I'll show it clearly to you. You have a USB as well as you have a 3.5 jack in it, and it's called as a bookshelf speaker because it's small in size. So let's open it and see what all is available in it. Okay, as soon as we open this, you do see that there's a speaker directly in it. So let's move the box aside and show you. This is the speaker. You can just remove the cover, and there's a front cover also over here. We'll remove that later. And the other side also there's a cover. We'll just remove these covers over here. And here what you see is there is a volume controller over here. This is the volume controller of this model, and this comes around this speaker is around 450 rupees only. And here you have your USB cable. That's one USB cable for the power, which I can go ahead and connect it to my cover over here so that it gives out power. And here if you see, you have the 3.5 jack. Okay, so what we'll do now is I will connect my phone to this so that you'll be able to see the output also. It may be loud, so let's go ahead and check it. So the power is on by just USB power. So I'm just going to play a track on so that you'll be able to see the sound. And there's a nice vibration also in this, and you can increase the volume. I kept it in medium so that you will not be able to get the reverb out of it. So you can just decide how the sound is. So as you can go ahead and check, the volume is also good in this, and you can increase the volume to max. For recording purposes, I kept it down so that you do understand how the speaker is working and everything. And this is one of the cheapest speakers in the market. It's just for 450 rupees. You can get on any of the shops, and you'll be able to go ahead and get these two speakers with the USB attachment. That is, you can connect it to your phone, you can connect it to your computer. Okay, in case you want to see how to connect to your computer, okay, this one is connected to my computer, this sound box. So I'll just connect it in the headset slot in this. So as I told you, in case you want to connect it, you can connect it to your PC like this. But if I connect it over here now, you will be able to hear an echo. So I won't be doing that. But you can connect it to your PC directly also. I can connect it to my PC directly. And without a mic, there won't be any voice cancel or anything like that, so that you can go ahead and do that without any echo or anything like that. So this is one of the best devices which you can use for a cheap price if you don't have much budget for your day to buy a speaker or anything. Until unless you get a good speaker like a creative or anything like that, you can go ahead and try this out. I hope this video helped you out in checking out the speaker and the specifications, and the cost also has been given. It's just 450 rupees, which you can buy from any of the nearest shops or any outlets next to you. And for a very less price, you're getting a good quality speaker as we tested it. And you can use it on your mobiles, laptops, PCs, and everything in your daily basis home appliance, in your daily basis computers or anything like that. And it's inexpensive also. And if you did like this, please subscribe and leave your support by giving a thumbs up for the video, so that uh, many people will be able to get benefited by this, and share to your friend if they are wanting a speaker or anything like this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.